Okay, this massive slab was donated to Smila's Memorial Garden. So I'm gonna start by cleaning it today and then do a little wood treatment. Just finished cleaning it, sweeping it down, getting all the dust and stuff off of it, and then put a little bit of oil treatment to cure it, get rid of the bugs, termites, different things that's in there. Like in here, that big old crevice right there, it had a lot of stuff that crawled out. Actually, look, there's a cockroach that came out and died. Got doused with whatever chemical I put on there to treat it. All right, let's see how long this project will take me. This was maybe 5 minutes or so to oil and clean it down. So then I still have to do the other side as well. Just let it sit in the sun and dry and cure out. You can see the pores are just absorbing the moisture in certain areas. All right,